You can absolutely use ChatGPT as a powerful tool in the process of creating animated videos, especially for faceless YouTube channels, explainer videos, or storytelling. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT to create animated videos from scratch. Step 1. Plan your video concept. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm video topics. Develop a content outline, define the target audience and video goal. Choose a video style: storytelling, educational, tutorial, etc. Prompt example: give me 10 animated video ideas for a YouTube channel about personal finance using AI voiceover. Step 2. Write the script. Ask ChatGPT to generate a full video script. Tips: be specific with the tone: inspiring, casual, professional. Mention the video length, for example, 3 to 5 minutes. Add your topic and main message. Prompt example: write a 4-minute animated video script in a motivational tone on the topic, how AI is transforming education. Step 3. Break the script into scenes. Once you have the script, you can ask ChatGPT to break it down into scenes for animation. Prompt example: break this script into 6 animation scenes with narration and visual ideas for each. Step 4. Create visuals using AI animation tools. After scripting, use an AI animation platform to turn your scenes into visuals. Some popular tools. 1. Pictory.ai. Converts script or blog post into video. Choose visuals, stock footage, voiceovers. 2. Animaker. Drag and drop animated characters and backgrounds. Add voiceovers and effects. 3. Vynd. Ideal for explainer videos. Customizable characters, props, movements. 4. Steve.ai. Turn text scripts into animated videos. Good for storytelling or education content. 5. Caber or Synthesia for AI avatars. Use AI avatars or generate scenes from prompts. Prompt to use in Steve.ai or Pictory.ai. Upload your script, let the tool auto-match visuals or edit manually. Step 5. Add voiceover optional. Options. Use built-in AI voiceovers. Most tools like Pictory, Animaker, or Steve.ai offer this. Use tools like Murf.ai, Eleven Labs, or Wellsaid Labs for natural AI voices. You can also ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script for voiceover clarity. Prompt example: make this script smoother for an AI voiceover with natural phrasing. Step 6. Edit and customize. Add subtitles. Adjust transitions. Choose background music. Insert logos and branding. Most tools offer templates for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Step 7. Export and upload. Export the final video in HD, usually 1080p, and upload to YouTube or social media. Ask ChatGPT for SEO-friendly video titles, YouTube video descriptions, hashtags, thumbnail text, and ideas. Bonus: automate the process. If you're building a content pipeline, ask ChatGPT to create daily video scripts, generate bulk video ideas for a niche, write email campaigns or social posts to promote your video.
Hey there, folks! We've come to the end of another fantastic video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Remember, if you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Now, before you go, let's take a quick look back at some of our other videos. If you're interested in learning more about a particular topic, just click on the video thumbnail and you'll be taken straight to it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great content. Until then, stay awesome and keep exploring.